Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at Eagle Eye Painting. Date is November 1st, 2019. Arrived on site and we were shown white water stains all over the floor. So in looking for the cause of the clog, or the cause of the water on the floor anyway, ran a bunch of water in the utility sink where they had been running water the day before. Ran a bunch of water in the utility sink, and when I ran water, it started coming up in the toilet downstairs in the toilet here. So pulled that toilet, discovered the sewer line was clogged around 22 feet out. So we unclogged it, ran the cable. Now we're pulling back with the camera from about 80, 90, 95 feet out. So I'll show you the spot where the clog is. I'll make a note of that, but right now we're a ways out there. So we're looking at 6-inch concrete pipe out here. Like I said, we're about 90 some odd feet out there, possibly 100 feet. Kind of get a better look at it as we come backwards. So there's a little sludge and stuff down in the toilet. Could be wipes, could be paper towels, could be a feminine product. Toilet paper doesn't generally stick together like that in a sewer. Kind of dissolves into mush and flushes down. So we're going through a plastic stretch here now, and then back into concrete. So there's a small section that's been repaired, possibly a clean out somewhere. And we're back into concrete pipe. Again, there's some stuff along the bottom of the pipe there. That's not toilet paper. That's kind of some kind of a product. So a turn there at 60 some feet. So here's where the clog occurred. Looks like we're dropping into possibly 6-inch pipe, 4x6 connection. Looks like we're turning one way. It's a pretty good lip on the pipe there, so that's what you're looking at the camera now, is the camera head right up against the lip. So sewage is coming down and fighting into that lip. It's coming off of another turn there. So it's kind of doing a zigzag-ish. No, it's all going to the left, but it's running into a sharp lip there and catching the sewage up before it drops into that larger diameter pipe. So we're coming back into cast iron pipe now. So that was the spot where we were clogged today, right up here, hooking up on that lip. So pulling back further, cast iron pipe, be coming out of the toilet flange here pretty soon. So there's the flange. Technician today, Casey.